Greg here, Underground Graphics. I got a quick install for you today. We're going to be installing our screen protector PPF film. This is going to be a matte finish, or the satin finish, also known as stealth. We've got these cut for the smaller screens for now. As soon as we get the large screens in, we'll make one for those. We'll try to keep these here pretty cheap for you guys. And anyway, I do believe these are water resistant. I don't know if they're waterproof or not. I know I've left mine outside and got rained in, but everything was good. Anyway, we're going to use, to get this cleaned up first, make sure there's no prints on it, nothing like that. Again, we always use a water alcohol mix, very, very light chemicals on that. You want to just make sure that's, very, very, nothing harsh on that screen. That's the advantage as well of that screen protector. We're going to use a soap water mix. Be a little liberal with the soap and that for this. Best way to apply PPF is very, very wet. That means it's going to be messy. You're going to get a little squeegee like this. Doesn't take much to get this little piece on. And yeah, anyway, the messy part of it, we did this once earlier. We're going to put some tape just to kind of help us not get too wet. And again, just something to get that nice and wet. Spray the back side of that PPF. And that will pop right into place. We're going to spray the front side of that as well. Make sure we get that where you want to. You should be able to slide that. You've got just a little bit of a margin there. If you still see any bubbles, spray that again and just pop, just go back there and re-squeegee. Looks like I got a little bit up there at the top. Really easy, guys. And again, this will not only protect your screen, give you the non-glare feature, as well as fingerprint resistant. I've got this on my iPhone and absolutely love it. Easy to keep clean, doesn't show a lot of fingerprints. All right, guys, thank you very much. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, give us a comment, like and subscribe, and see you next time.